Where payment is concerned, in the past, players in the payment space have one-size-fits-all mentality, especially the banks and the PSPs, playing it safe with no originality. If one is successful, others will adapt and copy. Today, there are plenty of disruption, product and services where differentiation is the name of the game. However, the fundamentals remain. Users today have short attention span and less patience. They seek immediate gratification. You have only one chance to convince, and even then there's no guarantees, as they are fickle with almost zero loyalty. So any delay or friction in response is often unforgivable. The current UX trends try to address this through simple, direct, and efficient use of technology and design. Simplicity makes the experience more efficient. Examples are Uber and Airbnb, simplifies booking and made payment frictionless. There are many ways to do this. One approach is balancing the super user mentality, sophisticated users, with simplicity. Some trends are based on improving current successful herd mentality usage. Example, an app that has similar feature set approach, PayPal, Square Cash, Venmo, for example. Other redefine the strategy to reach out to channels that embedded user in a unique way, since service offerings tend to be similar one way or the other. For example, Lime, WeChat, and Viber. Overall, app tries to recreate behaviors that consumers are familiar with while using their phones. The popular trends consist of design that are more purposeful and need-specific. In the beginning, there were and still exist adaptive and responsive design approaches. Nowadays, we are seeing more native-like optimization tailored to device with rich navigation technique that scale based on screens and have a natural feel. We also see more symmetrical and dynamic layout due to multiple interface environment as well. Material design by Google is great way moving forward. The concept is based on overlapping layers where user can look through what is needed on top of what's hidden. It has subtle, well-designed animation and transition to guide user through their experience. We are also seeing more card-based approach where user can consume group-size information in bit-sized chunk. Intuitively, it's great for managing smaller screens. It's used widely in social media like Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, even Google and Apple Passbook to name a few. The great thing is that it allows display of customized relevant content that's specific to user preference. On a larger scale, there's the adoption of UX experience as part of the business strategy. User experience is what differentiates products and services from one to another. In Fastacash, with the popular trends that will or has become a hygiene, my main goal is to identify, leverage, and apply the best of the best UX UI principle to payment-based environment, ensuring functional and simplicity at every UX level. It needs to be very natural for the user, highly personalized, very secure, but has the flexibility on social of choice. Because our offerings are unique and extremely social, Fastacash is doing much more than what's out there. The end user journey has never been more exciting. Because at Fastacash, we have taken a unique creative and design approach that has never been done before. The step that one has to take can be a difference between a hugely successful product, app, or website and its failure to make any difference. A good user interface experience and design starts with core discovery and understanding and addressing consumers' pain points. Reducing friction in the processes that exist today, cut down on number of steps, maximize the experience, relevancy, and usage. Making sure it's intuitive and deliver innovative and breakthrough experiences. However, it should not be overcomplicated for the end users, but ensure tight security while delivering the best consumer experience. The UI needs to be fresh and exciting, where the end user have strong affinity to the look and feel and felt belong. XOPO is first of its kind, and I wanted to create a natural, intimate environment for the user, despite it being a dry remittance product. We made sure that the development is refined and personable, with dual native app for international cross-border remittance that is social-centric. A lot of thinking and effort put into ensuring greater transfer flexibility and a natural social approach with meaningful experience. We took on to create and design a simple all-in-one customized card-based approach UI that's easy for individual profiling and activities. We hope for the same interaction experience that happens when you physically pass the money to someone else. Like real life, the transaction happens seamlessly in a social environment. I would like the user to have the same impression and feelings when going through the P2P payment experience with XOPO.